Cleaning gaming controllers. Remove battery at the loss, hand clean and set aside. HEPA vac heavy soot at the job site. Wrap with anti-static bubble for transport. For safety, wear eye protection and nitrile gloves. Disassemble the controller by removing the screws in the bottom cover. Do not over-dismantle. Watch YouTube videos for specific disassembly techniques. Place all screws in a magnetic container, separating them by size. Take notes and photos for use during reassembly. Place the controller into the 2300E electronics cleaning station. Turn selector switch to the air position. Hold parts down and air wash with a spray wand, working back and forth, making sure to get inside and outside of the controller to remove dust and loose soot. Note: wear a dust mask if needed. Turn selector switch to the clean position. Holding parts down, position the spray wand 4 to 6 inches away from the parts. Spray wash parts using a back and forth method. Soapy solution may take 15 seconds to work its way through the hose. Switch the controller to the rinse position. Repeat using the same method used for cleaning, making sure to rinse all of the soap from the controller parts. It may take up to 15 seconds to purge the soapy solution from the hose. Thoroughly air wash the inside and outside of all parts using the air gun. Make sure to remove all water puddles for proper drying. Place the controller parts into a basket or container to ensure all parts stay together. Open the drying chamber. Place the basket of parts on a rack inside the drying chamber. Close the door. Activate the dryer by switching drying cycle switch to the on position. Dry for 6 to 8 hours. Remove the basket of controller parts from the drying chamber. Reassemble the controller parts, making sure all screws go back into the correct holes. Refer to previous disassembling notes and photos. Reinstall the battery. Hand wipe with non-ammonia glass cleaner and microfiber cloth if needed. Plug into power and a game controller. Turn on and test.